Hey everyone, welcome to Romai, where we make robotics and AI fun and easy for everyone. Today we are going to do a simple but a very super important project, and we're going to blink two LEDs using our Arduino microcontroller. So if you look very carefully, you can see the two LEDs are blinking alternatively. One is connected to a resistor and connected to pin 9 on our Arduino board. The other is connected directly to the Arduino board at pin 13, where the inbuilt resistor is embedded to the microcontroller. So we're going to get that started today, and this is one of the easiest projects. It's a beginner project in robotics, and for those who are just starting with robotics with Arduino microcontrollers, you'll find this very easy to go with and very, very informative and important. So let's get started and build our alternatively blinking LEDs. Thank you. Let's go. For this project you need an Arduino board. You need LED lights. You need 20 ohm resistor. We need a breadboard, and we need our jumper wires, 3 of them. I got 3 made-to-made jumper wires. The made-to-made jumper wires with the 2 pins at the ends. So, and our USB cable. So let's get started. And right now, so let's go. Let's wire it up. So first thing we do is connect the negative rail of the breadboard. We're going to connect it to the GND pin on the Arduino microcontroller, like this. Then after that, the next thing we do is connect our LED, the first LED, and this is the LED. If you notice, the LED has 2 pins. It has the long pin and the shorter pin, and these 2 pins signify both the positive and the negative terminal of the LED. The longer pin is the anode, and it signifies the positive terminal. The shorter pin is the cathode, and it signifies the negative terminal of the LED. So let's get started with that. So I'm going to plug it in here. I'll plug in the negative leg, that is the negative pin of the LED, to the negative terminal of the breadboard, which is already connected to the GND of the microcontroller. Then after that, I connect a resistor to the longer leg of the LED. Then I connect it with a wire, which is going to be connected to pin 9. Good. The next thing I do is connect the second LED the same way, negative leg to the negative rail of the breadboard, and then I connect it with a jumper wire to pin 13 on the Arduino board. So the pin 13 has a resistor embedded to it already, an inbuilt resistor. So we're not going to use a resistor for that. Exactly, this is pin 13. And that is it now. So we're done with the wiring. Now let's write some code. Let's go. Alright, now so you open your Arduino IDE. Irrespective of the version, I have 2 versions here. I have my version 1.8.16, and I also have version 2.3.4. But for this one, I'm going to use 1.8.16. And so I'm going to type my code. The first thing I type is I set up the LED pins. So I have LED pin 1. I'll set it to pin 9. And then I set up the second one, LED pin 2. LED pin 2. I set it to pin 13 on the Arduino board. So let me just comment that set the pins to pin 13 and 9. Okay, so after that, the next thing to do is just the voice setup. So voice setup sets up and starts up the program, and yes, then we have the pin mode, and we have LED pin 1 output, and we have again pin mode, LED pin 2 output. Very good. So after this, we go to the void loop, type the void loop to make the code run repeatedly. Sorry. And now we have this digital write, LED pin 1, set it to high. High means we are making the LED come on, the first LED come on. Then we do digital write again. Set it to low, so we're making the second one go off when the first one is on. And then we set a delay of 1000 microseconds, which is synonymous to 1 second. Then this second command again, digital write, LED pin 1, make it low this time around. Then do digital write, LED pin 2, make it high this time around. Then we set a delay of 1000 microseconds again, and we're done. Close up our braces and we're done. So now the next thing we do is compile the code to be sure it's correct. It's correct. Now let me try to upload it. Connect my USB to the Arduino IDE, and now I'll upload the code. The code is uploaded already. Okay, now it's uploaded, and now we can see our LED working perfectly. One of the LED comes on for a second, the other one goes off for a second. And so the code tells the Arduino to turn the first LED on for 1 second, then off for 1 second, and it does for the same thing for the second LED. Comes on for 1 second, goes off for 1 second, and it keeps repeating. So you can actually change the blinking speed by adjusting the delay values. So we can try something like 500 microseconds or 2000 microseconds to make it go faster. Let's try that out now. Okay, so let's make the first delay 500 microseconds. That's 0.5 seconds, and this will make it 2000 microseconds. So let's compile and upload. Now we're done uploading. So you see the first LED blinked fast, the second delayed for 2 seconds, the other one blinks fast for 0.5 seconds, then the second one goes for 2 seconds, 0.5, 2 seconds, 0.5, 2 seconds, and so here you have it, your first Arduino project blinking 2 LEDs alternatively, and we were able to experiment with different LEDs, 2 LEDs, one connected to resistor while the other one connected directly to the Arduino board, and we also experimented with the timing, the delay, and so it worked out fine, and we have had fun doing this. So if you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome content from us. We are going to be dishing out AI and robotics projects weekly, daily, and we are definitely sure that the next project will be very exciting and very insightful for you. See you next time. Goodbye.